guys, look what I found. Charot. Today cooking. I will make crispy pata or a pata tin. Isa lang at ang isa bigay ko dun sa kumari ko sa Pilipinas. Tapos ito, wow. Kasi naman yung may crispy pata. Oh, it's talagang laman. Oh my God. Hindi siya kumakain ito, asawa ko. Hadidiri siya. Okay. Cooking crispy pata. Ang laman niya, grabe. Look. Look. Wow. Pata tin. This is good for pata tin.
Pata tin pataton.
Patating pataton. Talagang laman niya. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Thank you, my love. Ito na guys. Titimplahan ko na. Baka patatim na lang kahit walang banana blossom. Pwede na yan. Alam mo kaya ako natuwa kasi hindi sila nagluluto ng ganito dito. Walang ganito. Sa atin lang lang. Ayan, nilinis pa Ano siya yung ginagamit po nila to pag yung processed meat na, hindi ganyan kakain. Tsaka yung ulo, mga tenga, processed meat na hindi tulad sa atin niluluto pa. Ayan, ipe-pressure cooker natin guys para madaling lumambot at masarap. Yung akin lang to, charot. Tapos nagluluto ng mais, merienda. Tapos ito naman, ganyan kay hubby. Liempo in the house. Because I don't have brown sugar. Konti lang, I don't want sweet in the food. More water. I want to put some oil. Para hindi naman siya dry, diba? Now it's boiling, we'll cover it. Very nice. Pagsipol, 30 minutes or 45 para malambot. When it whistle it, not yet now. When whistle it, I think 30 minutes or 35 to 40 minutes to make it more soft. There you go. Nag-whistle na siya. Then it's done, 30 minutes. We'll check it out. Madami pang tubig. Pero malambot na siya. Ay, hindi pa. Paano ko pa ulit 30 minutes? Para matuyo siya. Wow. There you go. Ay, sunog. Patuyuin natin. Oh, wow, this is so good. Ayan, napatuyo na. Alright. There you go. I'm gonna put this on the top. This is so good. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you again.